students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will do poetic devices. Poetic devices are useful from class 6 to class 12, and if you really want to enjoy poetry, you must know poetic devices. Today I have covered only 7 poetic devices, but we have many others that I will discuss in the next video. So whichever are very common and are used frequently, I am just discussing those poetic devices. First of all, I will take alliteration. Alliteration, you must remember, must learn the spelling. Alliteration. Alliteration. What is alliteration? In alliteration, we have a repetition of a sound. Sometimes children mistake it as a repetition of a letter, but no, it's a repetition of a sound, right? So when we have the repetition of a sound in two or more than two words, that is alliteration. So you can see the example, Bob brings a box. Now Bob brings a box, B sound is repeated in all three words. After bring there is a also, but whenever we will be reading it, we will see what is the prominent sound. Is it the word which is coming in between, or is it the word which is the sound which is repeated? So here if we go with a, we will find this a is not that prominent. You can read it like this, Bob brings a box. So B sound is more prominent. That is why we have alliteration here. Another example also I have given, we went whale watching. We went whale watching. In all four of them, W word is repeated. W word is repeated as well as W sound is repeated. That is why we have alliteration here also. Here one thing I would like to tell you, you should see the sound, not the letter. Again, why I am giving the example. The tired. The tired. Both the words are beginning with T, but sound is different. In one it is the, in second it is tired. So both the sounds are different. That is why here we will not have alliteration. Right? Now let's come to the another one, metaphor. Metaphor is a poetic device which is used for comparison. Comparison of two things with each other on the basis of certain characteristics, certain qualities. So you see, you are a peach. In these, in this metaphor, we don't have the comparative words, the words of comparison like as, such and like. When we don't have words like as, such and like, and comparison is there, that is called metaphor. So metaphor, you are a peach. Actually, the meaning is you are like a peach. But like is not there. That is why it is metaphor. Life is a journey. Life is a journey. Life is compared to journey. So the sentence could be life is like a journey. But because like word is not there, as such word is not there, so we have metaphor here. The same word, same sentences I have taken for simile, because simile is also for comparison. Simile, when two things are being compared to each other on the basis of certain characteristics, we have simile there. So I have taken the same sentences, but I have used the words like. So in simile, we use the words like, as, and such. If we use these three words for comparing one thing to other, then it is called simile. Okay. So in this one metaphor, I said you are a peach. In simile, you are like a peach. Life is a journey in metaphor. Life is like a journey in simile. I hope you have understood the difference between simile and metaphor, because sometimes children get confused between these two. Now let me come to another one, that is oxymoron. Oxymoron is something which expresses two opposite qualities come with each other. Means they come all together. Like quiet, rage. Quiet and rage, these are two opposite words, and between these two words there is no other word. So this is called oxymoron. and original, copy. Something which is original but copy. So both are opposite to each other, and we do not have any other word in between these two. So we have here oxymoron. So oxymoron is something when two things are opposite to each other and they are used one after other all together without using any other word in between. Now come to the next one, personification. Personification, when a non-living being is animated to a human being, to a living being, to a human being, then we have personification. Something is personified. A non-living being is personified. That is called personification. In class 9th we have Song of the Rain. In the Song of the Rain, I am Song of the Rain. So Song of the Rain is something that is telling itself. So usually it doesn't happen. So the qualities of a human beings are given to Song of the Rain. So I am Song of the Rain. Here we have personification. Another example, the wind whispered. The wind whispered. Wind does not whisper. Wind makes a sound, but wind does not whisper. Whispering is a quality of human being, right? So wind whispered is a quality of human being. So here wind is personified. So we have personification. Another example, the tired old house. Houses are not ever tired. Okay, so tired old house. So tired word is used, usually human beings are tired. So tired was used for house. So here also we have personification. I hope you have got it. And if you have any doubt in that, you can write in the comment box. So I will clear that with other examples. Now come to the next one, anaphora. Anaphora is when two consecutive lines are beginning with the same word. Two consecutive lines are beginning with the same word, that is called anaphora. So here you will see I sleep, I slide. These are two different lines beginning with I. Beginning with I is a word. So both are beginning with the same word, two consecutive lines. So we have here anaphora. Now the last one which I will discuss in this video, that is hyperbole. Hyperbole is something like exaggeration. Exaggeration of something which is hard to believe, which cannot happen, that is called hyperbole. So here we exaggerate a quality of somebody, or we exaggerate any person or thing, that is exaggeration. So we use hyperbole here. I have told you 1,000 times. I have told you 1,000 times. Usually it does not happen. Nobody tells anything 1,000 times, right? So something is exaggerated to this extent, which is hard to believe. So here we have hyperbole. I hope you have understood it. In another video, I will be taking rest of the poetic devices. And you please keep watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. And please comment if any doubt you have or anything you want to clear me or give any other example. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.